Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for another shave review video! Excited this morning to try out Yates Precision. I have heard it, we have carried it, we have sold it, I've seen it, I want to shave with it. Let's get started. All right, we are all lathered up with the new Rex Supply Co. 1977, taking the shaving market by storm. But seriously, we have sold quite a lot of the stuff. At the time of the filming today, we are just a week or two after Black Friday and all of that hoopla. And we have a couple hundred sets out there in the world and starting to get feedback, and so far people are loving it. Some people, it's not for them. Totally get it. It's got a strong scent. So, buyer beware. We used the Aylesworth Synthetic G5C knot. I am trying to really give the synthetic a fair shoot. So this is shave number 2 with that synthetic brush, and I will keep on using it and report back. It is impressing me. It is something that I think is better than most other synthetics out there. Now, let's get loaded up. We selected today the Yates model 921H. This is a as machine finish. This has got a blade gap of 0.040 inches. Very, very slight positive exposure. So if you didn't know, the way we should all load 3-piece razors is cap down on your palm, blade over the guiding posts or registration tabs, guard, handle. If you load a 3-piece like that, it's pretty hard to mess up. It's also pretty hard to get cut. And you can grab the sides and do your final tightening. Heard a lot of blade clamping going on there, so I'm excited. Now we're definitely going to give this Yates a run for its money. We're going to give it a challenge here. It has got to go through 3.5, maybe 4 days of growth. So this is definitely a challenge. I got into a weird shaving pattern last week, and I didn't time it perfectly. Usually I just want to go 2 or 3 days, but here we go. The Yates model 921H 316L stainless steel, made in America by Jake and Ashley. Wow. It had just kind of a little bit of a learning curve in terms of what angle to hold it at, but now that I got it, that is nice. Very nice. I know, I always get told I got to use both sides. It's making very quick work of this growth. And if you didn't already know, if you're not a long-time viewer or subscriber, which by the way, please subscribe, to our channel, you know that I have pretty thick, coarse beard, sensitive skin. This is nice. I definitely feel some blade, but I'm not one to be scared by little blade feel. I think blade feel is a good thing for a little feedback, but it's very, very slight. I think their measurement is 0.003 inches exposure. Yeah. I wouldn't call it a lawnmower, but it's definitely a very powerful weed whacker. No, it really is. It's making quick work of this. And leaving behind very comfortable, clean, smooth shave. Yates has been around for a couple of years. They are the owners of the means of production, which is always fantastic, meaning they are a machine shop that kind of got into the scene of selling direct to consumer. And they are able to produce these razors at a great cost. And we've been carrying Yates for a few months now. And excited to finally try it because, you know, I really do like to carry things that I believe in. I think it's a disservice just to carry whatever. I think the customers out there who shop on our site should know that, you know, a real wet shaver has tried them out and they, you know, it's good performing products. And especially a wet shaver like myself, who I have a challenging beard. So if it passes muster with me, it usually will do good for most people. Yeah, but these guys are in Pennsylvania, and they got started machining razors, I think out of a request from Jake's dad. And if you build it, they will come. Very nice. Yates offers different finish options. I think they have like a stone wash or tumble, then they have like a polished option, and then the as machined option. One unique thing about buying Yates through Razor Emporium is we can do additional things like polishing or plating on these as well. So some people like to have those deluxe finishes. And they machine in stainless steel and in I think brass and then titanium and aluminum. If I'm not mistaken, I think all four major metals. So especially on the brass stuff, some guys like to have us do a little polish or plate. Yeah, good stuff. I'm going to throw a little 1977. Yeah, the skin feels good. We did have our first return of 1977. I'm not ashamed to say it. Someone got it and said, "Yeah, the smell is just not for me." It's a strong scent and very throwback. Woo! But it feels great. I think it smells nice. I think it smells like the 70s. It smells like Grandpa. Oh man, very soft, smooth, very clean, comfortable shave. This impressed me for sure. I think that this plate, I believe this was the H plate, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 921H. Another cool thing is he's got laser engraved serial number on the bottom and a engraved logo on the top cap. So very cool. Enjoyed my shave with Yates Precision. It lives up to the hype. I'm excited we carry it at Razor Emporium. If you've heard of Yates, tell me below in the comments if you own a Yates. If you want to have one gold plated from us, tell me in the comments. And if you do leave a comment, you're entered in to win this, the official Razor Emporium Black and Blue t-shirt. That's all I got for you guys today. Had a great shave with the G5C synthetic Altar from Aylesworth Razors, Yates Precision model 921H, Perma Sharp Blades, 1977 Rex soap. I'm feeling great. I'm looking great. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel. That way you are notified every time a new video comes out, and click that bell to make sure they notify you. Share this video with someone who needs to see it, and we will see you next time at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. Thanks, guys.